This past anime season has filled with adventures, romance, and bit of a weirdness. One anime in particular has stood out as a beacon of hope during the dark snowy days. Black Clover is an anime series based on the manga written and illustrated by Yuki Tabata, and if there is one thing to say about the story as a whole is that this series is perfect for fairy tale fans and those who enjoy rooting for the underdog characters. Two orphan boys, Asta and Yuno, are left as babies on Church's doorstep on the outer rim of the Clover Kingdom. In this world, each individual has some type of magical abilities. People's talent and magical power range from abilities to compete chores to fighting intense battles. And before you start to think this is another magical overpower anime, there is a twist. Asta is the one person born in the world without magic powers. He trains each day from morning to night to become strong enough to force himself into using magic. Yuno, on the opposite hand, has an extreme natural talent to control and use incredible magic. At the age of 15-year-old, the two boys are said to receive special book called Grimoires, which helps each individual channel their power. Grimoires are given to each person during their 15th year at an annual ceremony. Unfortunately, Asta is the only one not to receive one until he summons his own during an entanglement. Asta suddenly able to use a strange ability known as anti-magic. The anime story continues showing off both Asta and Yuno's separate journeys as they both struggle to earn the position of Wizard King. A bit of a warning for viewers who are looking for a relaxing time, Black Clover is filled with screams, enthusiasm, and occasionally annoying loud voices, all from one character. Asta is an underdog version of Natsu from fairy tales. Most of the time, his lines are screamed by the voice actor, and he tends to be extremely hyper. This all makes him an ideal person to hope and root for during the passing episodes as the story progresses. I personally love how Asta's personality is presented. His energy and zest for going beyond his best is something to ignite a fire within the viewers. No matter how many times other characters try to bring him down, Asta is willing to prove them wrong by showing off his power of never giving up. Yuno, on the other hand, is a character whose cool and collecting personality resides quietly behind Asta. His magical abilities for creating and manipulating wind outshines other magic users. Despite growing up in a warm environment of a church orphanage along with Asta and other younger orphans, Yuno is almost emotionless. Even when winning a battle, he barely seems to acknowledge the importance and merely accepts it. His opposite personality of Asta's is fun and interesting to see, so prevalent in the series. The dark color schemes of the animation helps promote the idea of the type of world full of dark intentions Asta and Yuno reside in, and why the Wizard Knights are so important to the country. Overall, the animation quality is decent, the backgrounds are extremely detailed and are beautiful all on their own. Every brick, stone, and leaf seems to be painstakingly painted into the scenery to serve as a rich background. As much time as the artist took with the scenery, the characters tends to be on the simple. Everything in the Black Clover, from the scenes to the character and music, helps promote the theme of Asta and Yuno working towards creating a bright future for themselves and everyone in their adopted families. In the time of the year when skies darken and people's hopes are down, this anime shines bright, showing that no matter how dark the day seems, hard work can pay off as long as you keep trying. So if you haven't watched this anime, I will suggest you to watch. Also, if you have already watched it, please let me know guys what you think about this anime in the comments. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and I would really appreciate if you hit the like before you go. Also subscribe the channel. My name is Hemant and I'll talk to you in the next video.